Okay, it's beautiful here in the lower part of the Vancouver mainland. The snow has stopped snowing and the rain is coming out and getting rid of the snow. And everybody's happy. Anyway, this is the original Joe pipe hooked up to the Joe pipe hourglass, and what I'm doing here is just using the hourglass to hook up with this, because eventually what I want to do with this is put in the I'll show you the pipe. Where'd you go now? This here. I'm going to use this as the gate reactor tube, and it's going to be inserted about so and to where I can actually adjust the tube from the front into the core of the level 3 to find out what the best spot is. In the back we have a coupling, and we'll make it work anyway. The coupling, the back part would go out. I may have to put a T going out or something. But that's why I went back to the 1.5-inch pipe, the 2-inch pipe there. And I got the washer array set back in here. I can actually give you a measure. And I found out if you slip the washer away, and if you start from here and push it back, and you start off with a level 2, a transition burn, when you slip it back, there'll be a point where it's going to pop into a level 3. That was my discovery today. But anyway, the washer array is right here, right behind the second tap. I'm just going to make a second measure again. So it's actually popped into a level 3 somewhere around here. I was pushing it back. She's no longer level, like a long transitional 2 is actually a full level 3. Okay, we're going to light her up here. Put this away. I actually have the meter tonight, so I want to take a reading. I'm going to turn on some air. I have a regulated power supply now, and a little better than a battery charger. Okay, here we go. And the brand new lighter here. No more matches. Ooh, what's happening here? Hey, fan wasn't working. There we go. Level 3 back here. A little bit of blue funnel coming here. That could be afterburn. Maybe where the moisture from the propane might be converting with the CO2 to make hydrogen. That's one thing that I can think of. Beautiful plane back there. Just absolutely gorgeous. This is already hot. You can see the flame down through the hole. You can actually see the lines of the flame itself. It's quite neat. I'll leave this out for now. I call this the fluid effect of these holes. You can actually change the pitch you can see, it's around 49 degrees here. So we'll start right there. Start at the tip. Kind of holding the rod with my left hand, so this is Fahrenheit. Here's on a little bit up from low. Fan's on about 60%. She'll go out at 2. Hang on there, girl. The dog wants in the house. Oh, 1940. That's hotter right there. Go in a bit. Around 1950, maybe 2000. You see where it's really getting red back there. And it's not cranked here. Leave the dog in here. Minutes left here. I'm just going to back up some. I can actually get in there. Use my right hand. Are you on there? Okay. $13, $14, $15, $16, $17, $18, $19. Oh. Switching to fair Celsius. I have my gloves, so I can't go too far. Ooh, my hands are getting burnt. 1200. Too hot.